What's up, everybody? That's another lens there. What's up? What's good? What are you saying? I don't know if people actually say that, but when I grew up, people said that. Not a morning person. Beck and I both struggle at getting up. We would like to change that. We know if you do it a few times and you get in a habit, but we're night owls, guys. We thrive at night. We do our edits at night. And it just makes getting up a lot more difficult. It's early. We're gonna drop the van off at the body shop today. I don't know what the rest, oh, and then we got a busy day. We got a very busy day.
Beautiful Peach.
Good morning, beautiful buddy.
Good morning. Everyone's asking where's Buddy.
Really? The whole office misses me?
The whole office and the vlog and everyone.
Definitely wouldn't recommend this because this is definitely illegal, but that van is not registered yet, but it's the same van as this one. I don't have plates for that one, but I need to bring that one to the body shop. So I may or may not be using the plates from this van on that van. May or may not.
Good morning, Bob.
Morning, dog.
I'll meet you over on Eddystone.
Eddystone it is.
Julio, how are you, brother?
You the famous Julio?
No famous, no, I'm not
Yeah,
famous.
I'm Bob.
Hi.
No, Texas told me that you're the best guy in the world.
No,
Hey,
that's a complete lie.
This might be a bit of a tricky situation here. I don't know if this ramp looks as steep as it is in real life, but he's got to make this quick turn. All right, let's see Bob's skills here. Come on, give it. Give it some juice, buddy. Give it some juice. There you go. Hey.
Tomorrow morning, can't pick it up.
Thanks, bro.
Okay?
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Who showed you to do this like that?
Texas.
Texas?
Texas. He said when you meet Julio, do this.
There he is.
How you doing? You good?
Buddy.
Say what up to the vlog, Russ.
How are you guys? It's way too early for me in the morning,
It's too early for you to be fun?
but I'm a car salesman of 18 years, so I'm ready. Take me to the set.
I like that jacket, man.
You like that jacket?
Yeah, that's fancy.
You gotta spend a lot of money at Mercedes to get this jacket. A lot of money.
Texas's vlog came out today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna check it out. Please.
No.
I wanna see myself.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, right there, bro. First on the
That's funny. Are you still recording?
Yeah, always.
Hey. Keep it real.
Peace, bro.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks, Russell.
Take care, sir.
Yep, be good.
Pretty successful mission, bit bopping around town here. We got the van e-tested, safetied. It's gonna be in Julio's hands for until tomorrow. So we're heading back to the office now. Back at the office.
Wasn't recording my epic little entrance where I sang back a song, back a song. Look at how beautiful that is, eh? With the spinach and the beet hummus. Sriracha tofu.
Oh.
Cucumber, pickles, just kind of a random little fiesta we got happening here.
That is what we needed. We are fueled. We are ready to film. Let's do this.
You guys want a taco about it? Alright, let's go, babe. We gotta get going.
All right.
Alright, let's go.
I was just in the middle of something when you asked me to do that. I just gotta finish that and then I'm good to go. One of the first things that we're going to do to make a small, but what I think will be a big change on the van is a little bit of decorating. If you guys watched our vlog from when we were vending at the Yoga Fest, you saw us pick up these really cute inhale, exhale things, and they're gonna go right here.
So that's in the middle. I think that might work.
Oh, here?
No.
No, the arrow on top's gonna go that way, yeah. Oh, like here. If you gave me the other arrow, I could put it on my other foot.
Right here?
I think so.
Yeah.
Do you want a measuring tape?
What do you think?
I really like it. It's so weird to have something new
Yeah,
in
it's
this
like
van.
super new, super cool. I love it.
So it's overwhelming, but I like it.
Okay, on to number 2.
Task number 2, let's go, let's go! Something else that we feel like would really help make this a home and save us a lot during this like beachy, dirty season. We picked this up at a local shop in Toronto the other day.
Hola, gringo.
Oh my gosh, how cute is that for the doorstep? Hola.
To install your doormat, the tools you'll need are possibly a hacksaw, possibly a X-Acto knife, possibly a pen, and possibly this brown piece of paper.
That's gonna look really cute.
Really cute.
Really
cute.
Really cute.
That center?
You know the classic saying, measure twice, cut once? Eamon's more like measure once, cut 15 times. So we've cut the mat a couple times now.
Hola,
That looks super cute. Buddy, we're crushing life. Task 2 done. No, you knew where we kept the broom.
Yeah, I found it the other day.
Just sweeping up to show up the Ola mat.
Maybe.
One of my biggest complaints about van life wasn't the lack of space for my clothing. It was like the disorganization of my clothing. So you can see right now it's just one really big open space. And I started brainstorming with Eamon like what could we do to sort of separate even just underwear versus socks would be so nice. So he's built me these amazing looking drawers and we're gonna right now measure them out. Oh, they're quite large, but then I could like roll my pants. I'm gonna roll my stuff again.
Oh boy, I thought she was gonna tell me that they're too large.
No, I'm excited. And then we'll put probably like a shelf that they go under and then everything can be organized top to bottom. As you can see, I already was complaining, but you literally threw my clean underwear on the floor.
So I'm pretty sure I took some footage of me building these little puppers. Let's go ahead and roll that now. Sorry, Beck. They're not the prettiest looking boxes I've ever made, but that'll work. All from the spare parts section. That might work. Minor adjustments need to be made.
Hey now.
Nice,
That looks
bro.
promising.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
it's
need to
perfect.
leave enough room
Yeah, I
so
know.
I can pull that out.
Yeah.
Nice! Yay! Thank you! I actually don't even mind if it's all painted.
You don't want to paint it?
Well, should I?
It's up to you.
I think it looks kind of like earthy in there. What do you guys think? Should I paint this? Let me know. Okay, so that's task number 3. I just have to decide whether I want to paint it, but I'm gonna, it's gonna help me be so much more organized in my little area here. All of that fits in there. I was just saying, you can tell that I'm really happy because when I'm really happy, I get this massive vein down my forehead. And yeah, it's a bit of a concern for our wedding day that we haven't booked anything yet for. But if there's a photographer out there who's really good at photoshopping happy veins out of people's foreheads, let me know.
Alright, that concludes the vlog. Peace!
Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications.
Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you telling me that.
We'll be back tomorrow with another daily vlog, yo. Here's what's happening tomorrow.
Sure, they're both 14 by 14. I'll just break my ankle and then double check. Hey, Oscar!
I went through in the sun.
Am I good now?
No,
What do you mean? I'm in the sun.
no, I can't see very well.
Thumbnail!